Although I'm not wearing any makeup today, I'm just going to spray this on my face. Oh my god, I love this product so much. This is from Kodali and this is the Beauty Elixir. I'm going to link that below for you guys. Let this dry down for a minute and then we're going to get into this unboxing today. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, super well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. As you can tell from the title of this video, this is a BoxyCharm unboxing. This is my very first time unboxing a BoxyCharm on my channel. I have seen so many videos on BoxyCharm, 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 everything. And I thought, what is the big deal with BoxyCharm? And I think this is the Boxy Mini. Is that what it's called? I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong. Boxy Mini or Boxy Base Box. So we're going to open this up today. It hasn't been opened yet, so we're going to discover what's on the inside. Here it is. And it was just delivered like this with my address to the back, which I really wasn't too pleased about because people will see that you are ordering a BoxyCharm box. Because normally when you order different boxes from, let's say, look fantastic or Birchbox, it comes in another package. It just came just like this, with, you know, like I said, the address to the front, which I was not impressed about, but that's okay. I do have my scissors here, so we're just going to open up this box right now. And there we be. Let's just see. And this is what I see when I open the box. Nothing has been wrapped in tissue paper. It's just a few products in here and a card. Not impressed. Not impressed at all. However, we are just going to see what we got in this box. Of course, you do have a card and it tells you what the products are in the box. And the first thing I see here is the Whipped Greens or Free Foaming Cleanser, which is this. Hope you guys can see that. I'm going to show you guys a close-up shot of everything a little bit later on. This is an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This retails for $28. Wow, the price on this is quite steep. Let's just open this up. And of course, this really does look like a full-size package. And there it is. Okay, this is an oil-free foaming cleanser. I can't wait to try this. Anything to do with skincare, I am down for, and I can't wait to try this. I am impressed already with this product. The next thing that I see on the card is Beauty Bakerie setting powder, which is this. It comes in a little paper baggage. Let's just open this up. There's a little tape to the top, so we're just gonna pull that open. There we be. And I do have something from Beauty Bakerie. I think it's a lip product, which is really, really good. And this is the packaging right here. And this is the product. This is the setting powder. And it's finely milled oat flour setting powder. Allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day's wear. And this retails for $24. Wow, I think this is going to be a good setting powder, and I'm going to definitely try this. And of course, this obviously is a full-size product. So the next thing I see here is the MudMasky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum, which is this. The retail price on this is $63. What? This better be some good eye cream. Wow, this is, it's an eye serum. $63, that's quite steep. But I'm looking forward to trying this though. That seems to be very, very good. Okay, so next we do have the Outre 8-in-1 CBD Leave-In Conditioner, which is right here. Looking forward to trying this, and the retail price on this is $30, and I'm hoping this is not the full size, because this little thing, I mean, it's not little. You get 4 fluid ounces in here, which is still quite a bit, but to pay $30 for this is a little bit steep. And I'm hoping, like I said, this is a full size, because I don't mind spending $30 for the full regular size, you know, like the regular shampoo conditioner type of thing. But this is it right here. It's CBD 8-in-1 leave-in conditioner. Protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh your hair, and it adds shine. And last but not least, we do have the Basic Beauty Summer Lip Oil, which is this right here, and this retails for $18. So let's open this up and see what it is. Lip oil. Ooh, there it is. Lovely. Wow, it's really impressive. Let me just put a little bit of this on my lip and see. Smells really nice. It smells lovely. It has a lovely pink tint to it. And again, this retails for $18. It's very hydrating. Nourishes the lips from inside out with coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduces the appearance of lip lines. That's what this is about. So you do get 5 full-size products in here. You get the lip oil. This is a MudMasky Eye Serum. You do get the Farmacy Whipped Green. This is a foaming cleanser. You do get the 8-in-1 leave-in conditioner from Outre. It has CBD in it. And of course you do have the Beauty Bakerie setting powder. So you do get 5 full-size items in the box here from BoxyCharm. I am really impressed with the products. I am not impressed with the packaging at all, but the products are really good, it seems, and I cannot wait to try them and give you guys some feedback on what the products can do for my skin. Like I said, anything to do with skincare, I am always down for that, and it's always nice to incorporate new things into my skincare routine, and I'm excited about that. But other than that, the products in this box is really good, and I think this is the base box. And it doesn't say what the total value of everything is in this box, but box for you guys. If you want to try the BoxyCharm base box for the first time, just Google BoxyCharm and just try it if you wish. And this is it right here. And like I said, not bad. And by the way, guys, when this box came in the mail, the box came exactly like this with my address to the back, which I'm really not impressed about, because normally, like I said earlier, the boxes usually come packed in other boxes, and this was like, well, oh yeah, she's ordered a BoxyCharm box. But I think they should improve their packaging when it comes to shipping, you know, things to people. But other than that, the products are really good. And on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I'm very impressed with the products, and I can't wait to try them. They are going to be linked in the description box for you guys. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching. I shall catch you next time in my next video. Bye.